Good morning, everyone. In this class, we will study subtraction subtopic estimation. Let's start. So this question is on page number 39. So what this question is saying, a basket contained 920 apples, out of which 370 apples were sent for packaging. So they in this question it is saying that there is a basket, and in that basket we have how many apples? We have 920 apples. Okay, so how many apples there in the basket? 920, out of which 370 apples was sent for packaging. Out of which how many apples sent for packaging? 370. Estimate the number of apples remaining in the basket. We need to find out how many apples remaining in the basket. Okay, so a basket contained 920 apples, out of which 370 apples was sent for packaging. So if I need to find out remaining apples, so how can I do this? I'll just subtract 370 from 920. Okay, this is the simple subtraction, but in this question I need to find out estimate the number. So can you see it is written estimate the number. Whenever you see this thing, whenever you see estimate the number, so what you have to do first, at first you need to round off the number first. Okay, whenever you see estimate the number, you have to round off the number first, and then you will subtract the rounded number. Okay, but if you see here, instead of number you will see the answer, estimate the answer. So what you will do, you will just find out the actual difference, and then you after finding the actual difference you just estimate the answer. This is the answer, 550. So you will estimate the answer, but in this question it is not asking to estimate the answer, it is asking to estimate the number. So what we will do first, we will first write the statement, total number of apples is equal to what? Is equal to 920. Number of apples and for packaging is equal to 370. Then we will just round off the number 920. So can you see how we can round off 920? Yes. So first we will highlight the hundreds place, that is 9. Then we will see the tens place, that is 2. Can you tell me 2 is greater than 4 or less than 4? 2 is less than 4. So we will not change 9. We will write 9 as it is. So we will write 900 is the round off of 920. So now we will round off 370. How we can do this? Let's see. First you need to highlight the hundreds place. 3. Now you will see the right side digit of hundreds place, 7. Can you tell me 7 is greater than 4? Yes, 7 is greater than 4. So what we will do? We will add 1 and 3. So 1 plus 3 is what? 1 plus 3 is 4. So we will write here 4, and I know after writing the hundreds place, I'll write 2 zeros. Why 2 zeros? Because in the right side of hundreds place, I have 2 more places, that is ones and tens. So I will do what? I will write ones, 0 at ones place I will write 0, at tens place I will write 0. So 900 minus 400 is equal to what? 500. I will find out the actual difference also. Okay, so now find out the actual difference. For finding the actual difference, you will write the actual number. So can you tell me total number of apples? 920. So you will write here 920, and then you will write number of apples sent for packaging, 370. So just find out the difference of these two numbers. For finding out the difference of these two numbers, you can get the actual difference. But we need to find the estimate number. So estimate number is what? 500. So we will write 500 apples remaining in the basket. Now we will go to next question. So next question is this. Okay. So in this question, it is written there is a book fair. At a book fair, 8,643 books were sold on Saturday and Sunday. So on Saturday and Sunday, how many books sold? 8,643. If 4,324 books were sold on Saturday. So, as we know, on Saturday and Sunday, 8,643 books sold. But on only Saturday, 4,324 books sold. So, estimate the number of books sold on Sunday. So, we need to estimate the number, and we need to find out books sold on Sunday. So how can we do this? We just first write number of books sold on Saturday and Sunday, which is equal to 8,643, and number of books sold on Saturday, which is equal to 4,324. So first we will find the actual difference. How we can do? First write the actual number 8,643. Then write the actual number of second 4,324. We know in this question we need to do the subtraction. Why? Because Saturday, Sunday books sold given, and and it is also given that on Saturday books were sold 4,324. So if I subtract 4,324 from 8,643, I'll get the number of books sold on Sunday. So let's do the subtraction. Here, can you see at one's place we have more on the floor. So more on the floor, that means go to next row. So from next row, just cut this 4, write here 3, and write 1 here. So it will become 13. Now take away 4 from 13. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now count all these fingers. Yes, count it. How many fingers I have? How many fingers I have like this? How many fingers I have? I have 9 fingers. So right here 9. Now can you see at tens place? I have more on the top. So no need to stop. No need to stop. Just take away 2 from 3. If I take away 2 from 3, answer will be 1. Now at hundreds place, I can see I have more on the top. So no need to stop. Just take away 3 from 6. After taking 3 from 6, I'll get 3. So I will write here 3. Now at thousands place. Can you see thousands place? We have 8 and we have 4. So just take away 4 from 8. 4 from 8, answer will be 4. So answer will be 4,390. But can you see in the question we need to find estimate the number. So first we will round off this number and then write it over here, and then we will round off this number and write it over here, and then we will do subtraction. So how can we round off 8,643? We just highlight the thousands place and see the hundreds place. Can you tell me 6 is greater than 4? Yes. So add 1 in 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. So write here 9, and just in the right side of 1000 I have more 3 places. So I will write 3 zeros. Now see the next question, next number. So at next number, can you see we have 4 here? Now see the right side digit. At right side I have 3, and I know 3 is less than 4. So what I will do is I'll write 4 as it is. So I'll write 4 here and write 3 more zeros. Now do the subtraction. Take away 4,000 from 9,000. I'll get what? I'll get 5,000. Now, so this is basically the estimate number of books sold on Sunday. This is how we can do the question. Now, we go to next question. So, yes. So, now we will do the activity. In this activity, we will see how we can do the question with mental maths. Okay. Now let's do mental maths questions. So, this is an activity for you. What we have to do whenever we are subtracting any number, whenever suppose in this question, when we subtract 10 from a number, okay, when we subtract 10 from a number, so what we have to do, the digit in the tens place is decreased by 1. For example, here you can see the number 57,325. Okay, so whenever you subtract 10, only 10, whenever you subtract 10 from a number, then digit at tens place will be decreased by 1. Okay, so can you see the tens place digit here? 2. So decrease 2 by 1. Only write just take away 1 from 2. So answer will be what? 1. So you what you have to do, you have to write the number as it is, but instead of 2 you will write only 1. Okay, and other digit will be same. Now let's take an example of other number 43,289. So whenever you need to subtract 10 from any number, so for example here I'm subtracting 10 from 43,289. What I will do, I'll just subtract 1 from the tens place. At tens place I have 8, so I'll subtract 1 from 8, I'll get 7. So I'll write 7 here and rest of the digit will be same. Now, when I subtract 100 from a number, okay, when I subtract 100 from a number, then what you have to do? You have to do nothing. Only you have to subtract 1 from the hundreds place. Okay, like in this question, 25,691. So, whenever you have to subtract 100 from any number, what you will do? You will just decrease hundreds place digit by 1. Here you can see we have 6. So subtract 1 from 6. Answer will be 5. So you will write 5 and rest of the digit will be same. You can see here also. So now we will go on to thousands. Whenever you need to subtract 1,000 from a number, then you can tell me which digit is decreased by 1. Yes, thousands digit is decreased by 1. Very good. So, can you see this number 76,540? So, whenever you are subtracting 1 from the thousands, you have to just decrease this digit by 1. 6. Now just take away 1 from 6. 5 is the answer. So, you will write, instead of 6, you will write 5 and rest of the digits same. Thank you.